Hey guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Amer TV. So ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay kung paano natin install yung printer drivers natin. So ang model ng printer natin is Epson L5290. Okay, so ayan. So first, punta lang tayo sa website na ito and then download lang natin ito. Ayan, i-download lang natin itong drivers. Okay. So ayan. Then pinutin lang natin yung download. So ito is na-download na natin. Okay, so ayan. Then, na-download na natin. So, click lang natin yan. Yung gi-download natin na installer or driver ng ating Epson L5290. Okay, so ayan. Hintayin lang natin while updating. Okay, so ayan. As you can see, wala pa tayong model ng Epson L5290 doon sa ating printer settings. Okay, so wait lang natin. Okay, so ayan, as you can see, updating na siya. So, hintayin lang natin na matapos yung pag-update niya. So, nag-update guys yung ating installer or yung drivers ng ating Epson L5290 printer. Okay, so ayan, malapit na. Okay, so ayan. Okay, so ayan na. So, accept lang natin guys. I-accept lang natin. Then yes. Okay, so wait lang natin. Then next. Okay, so check natin itong box. Ayan, then next lang tayo. Okay, so hintayin lang natin. Downloading the printer driver. So be sure na nakakonect kayo sa internet guys. Okay, so yan. Installing scanner driver. Okay, so hintayin lang natin. Okay, so yan. So by the way pala guys, dito is meron tayong tatlong connections. We have wireless network or Wi-Fi, and then yung LAN, and then yung naka-USB cable. So ngayon, as you can see, ang gagamitin natin is itong wireless. So dapat same connection lang yung laptop at saka yung ating printer. Okay, so ayan. So lalabas yan automatically. Okay, so ayan, installing na siya. So lalabas kagad yung printer model natin pag same connection. Okay, so ayan. As you can see, yung laptop and then yung network at saka yung printer natin. So same connection lang yan sila guys. Okay. So pwede rin tayo gumamit ng cable, yung USB cable ng ating printer directly to the laptop or di kaya PC. Okay, so setup is in progress. Please wait. So hintayin lang natin. Medyo matagal yan siya guys. Kasi nag-install pa yan. Okay, so ayan. Installation na tayo. Tapos na tayo sa setup. So, let's move on to the installation. Okay, so checking the system environment. So, be sure na naka-turn on yung printer natin guys. Okay. So, ayan. Malapit na yan. Okay, so ayan. So, i-uncheck lang natin yung dapat na hindi natin na i-install. So, yung mga manuals, yung software updater. So, ayan. Para mas madali yung pag-print natin, or pwede rin natin sila i-install lahat. Depende na yan sa inyo. Okay, so downloading na. Installing the Epson scanner. Ayan. Epson Photo Plus. So, dyan tayo mag-scan guys. So, ayan, malapit na yan. So, kailangan lang natin maghintay ng time. So, transferring the data to the laptop or di kaya computer. Okay. Ayan. So, we can skip this one. Pwede natin siya skip, guys, para mas madali. Okay. So, pwede rin natin hintayin. So, do not use the printer during ink initialization. Wait until the process is complete. So, nag-initialize yung ating ink. Okay. So, skip lang natin. Okay, so, okay. Yan na. Then, i-print test natin or print test page. So, mag-print tayo ngayon. Okay. So, check natin kung gumagana na ba yung ating printer gamit ang ating laptop. Okay, so ayan. Loading na siya. So, hintayin lang natin matapos ito. Then, check natin kung makaprint na tayo doon sa ating test kanina. Okay, so ayan. So, check natin. Ayan, malapit na. So, hintayin lang natin. Okay, so as you can see, may lumabas na dyan na model. So, Epson L5290. So, dalawa yan. Merong fax at saka yung network. So, naka-network tayo, guys. So, i-try natin siya i-print. So, ayan. So, printing na siya. Okay, so wait natin. So, printing na siya. Okay. So, ayan, as you can see, naka-print na tayo. Congratulations, you have finished setting up your printer. So, na-install na natin yung drivers ng ating printer. Okay. So, I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Amr TV for the latest videos na aking upload. Sukran and wassalam.